Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another video for you today. Let me tell you something. I bumped into this wonderful item for weight loss. Now this item is going to make you sweat, and I tried it today and oh my goodness, I gotta explain some more. What I'm wearing is a neoprene shapewear slimming vest suit for weight loss. And you can wear this, you know, if you're actively doing sports or if you're doing exercise. This is gonna make you sweat. I had it on since 10 o'clock this morning, and right now it's 5:20. So it's over 7 hours. Well, I tell you like this, it's making me sweat. I can feel the sweat, and I didn't even do anything. I just had it on all day while I did my everyday, just running around, but nothing really active. But just having it on, it is making me sweat. I feel so moist, and oh my gosh, especially in my back. Next, I'm going to show you the clip explaining this suit. This shapewear increases thermal activity and stimulates sweating, accelerating the belly fat burning process to shape and reduce the waist and abdomen. This vest is specially made for working out and is very comfortable, and it's going to stimulate sweat during exercise, which can make you sweat 3 times more. This is made of lightweight material and is of high quality neoprene. Okay, so what this is a breathable vest, and it's very comfortable. Now when I first got it and I opened the package, it looked flimsy. I honestly thought it was flimsy. I thought it was cheap. I thought it was like cheesy quality. But I said, you know what? Let me try it and see for myself. And I gave it a try. Now I'm so glad I gave it a try, because this thing, it is wonderful. Now if you have that back fat, oh my gosh, you're gonna feel it. If you work out in this, oh my goodness, I'm telling you, you are going to feel it. It's going to make your back sweat, and what that's going to do is going to make you sweat off the fat glands off in the back, and it's going to smooth out that back fat, that back roll. It is awesome. It's also slimming down your stomach, your core area. So the band that you open in your core area, that's what's going to flatten your core, your abdomen area. Then if you have any side fat, you're going to feel it. You're going to sweat. This is for weight loss, okay? So if you're trying to melt the fat in your body, as well as a healthy diet and a lifestyle change, you're going to see results also wearing this vest every day. Now it's very affordable, so you can get as many as you need, you know, to wear every day. But if you train your body wearing this vest, you are going to sweat off that water weight in your body. It's going to slim you down even faster than just not wearing one and just going through a regular diet. All right, so I'm telling you, try this vest. You are going to shrink. I like to do videos like this, bringing also to you wonderful weight loss things that you can also use on your weight loss journey, things that's going to help you along your journey, that's going to also generate that extra sweating off that extra water in your body. For those of you who have the back fat, this is wonderful for melting your back fat, smoothing it out. Okay, and I used to have back fat, you guys. I used to, so I know what it's like. But I found this thing on the internet, and I'm wearing it right now just to see exactly how well it works. All right, so there it is, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me in this wonderful product find video, and I will also give you the link of where you can find this. This is not a sponsored video. I am not making a penny off of this, showcasing these items to you. Just want to bring to you some of the wonderful things that I've been using, some of the wonderful things that I've bumped into. So thank you so much again for joining me on this video, and don't forget, like, subscribe, okay? Like, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and join me in the next video. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.